Hey, come here! If you've been looking for an ocean view penthouse with a private terrace and jacuzzi, this one delivers it all. Located at Las Ballenas beach, this home includes 3 bedrooms, each with a private bathroom and a bright master suite perfect for relaxing after a day by the sea. This condominium is located within the Bonita Village project, which features beautiful, spacious gardens with an artificial lake, golf areas, and walking bridges. The penthouse is located on the western side of Las Terrenas, in a highly sought-after area that offers a quiet, wide beach lined with restaurants, bars, a sailing club, and boutique hotels. An ideal place for families to enjoy. And the sunset. Here is simply incredible. Just look at this miracle. Whether you are looking for a smart investment or your forever home by the ocean, this penthouse is the one that has it all. Contact today us via WhatsApp or email, and we'll help you find your place in paradise.